Bahala ka po kung plano o balak mo. Sa ngayon, kailangan natin sinusunod.
Officially do just that, take photos with our stars front and center where they belong. Go ahead and do that, you guys. We have another exciting song lined up for you though in just a tiny bit. So we're going to this after the photo op.
Guys, selfie, sama kayo ng selfie. Sabi ni Pat, sama daw may selfie.
Hindi na pa tayo makikita, nakatayo tayo. Ano napunit yung paper bag? Diyan mo na bigay, makakabululan din.
Everybody give it up for the Universada!
But we make sure that me and Obs, we always make sure that we're on the same page, that kailangan lagi kaming nasa binibigyan namin yung lahat ng binibigyan namin yung best namin. And it's good that I have a partner na, thank you.
So of course, Direk Gino, among many other things, is known for directing that. Pero sa panibago natin, Universada! 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 Hey! Woo! How about Lance?
So yeah, as the newest,
Ani, Jerry, Panga, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, as a follow-up to these two for Aubrey, what kind of Sam can fans expect this time around? At para naman kay Lance, since your character, Doc Lydon, is new to the series, what can we expect from him?
Namin, from cast reveal to this, to lahat, yung mga reactions ng tao. Pero nandun siya, hindi siya nag-dwell sa negativity. He's optimistic. So yun yung natutunan ko sa kanya, how to handle pressure, like optimistic lang, lagi. And he's also a good guy. And it's so nice to work with him. Oh, promise. Oh, kahit medyo like kami nag-aaway, but ayun. Yun lang.
All right, thanks. How about Lance?
So yeah, the first 3 books, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa University Series. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala rin kami. And we really, really appreciate you guys. Especially sa lahat ng shows ng Viva One. And yun, syempre kakatapos lang din namin ng Chasing in the Wild, December, di ba? Yeah. Then Haya went to the US. And then for me, I got busy with work. Pero syempre ngayon, this March, we're gonna start a new series. Pero bawal ko po sabihin, pero it's really gonna come soon and we're really excited. Ibang-iba sa character ko kay Sevi, so, yeah.
Thank you guys for being here. It's nice to see you guys. Kamusta ka?
Take it off na, take it off, everybody! Take it
Ano natin na napaka-undeniable ng chemistry ng bawat isa, bawat isang pairing, bawat isang love team. Ngayon, curious kami.
Guys, so sana po abangan nyo sa TV5 yung para sa isa't isa.
May bago tayong pakakaabangan at kasasabihan, thank you for your eloquent answers. Uulitin mo even out camera.
Actually, hindi.
Bahala ka kung anong plano o balak mo. Sa ngayon, kailangan natin silang sundin.
Teka muna, guys! Teka muna! Teka muna! Let me hear this side say hey! How about this side say hey? This side say hey! Okay, balik na tayo sa countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, Landry, Landry, Landry! Head up here! Ano ba kayo? Makilala at makita sila! Ang love team natin mula sa unang libro! Loving the response from you guys. Their love team kicked this all off. Kaya tayo, my University Series to begin with. What a celebrated partnership this one is. They truly 3 down, 1 more to go. Ilang love teams na nakikita nyo on stage, guys? Tulungan nyo ako magbilang. Isa, Haya, Somo as Marvin. Put your hands together, everybody!
Saan na ba tayo doon? Hindi, abangan doon lang. Ay, sige lang. Dito na pa tayo sa open space para select niyo. Siya. Tawagin mo, Gay. Gabriel! Tawagin mo, Ben. Tawagin mo. Isa kong jowa. One, two, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you guys!